Okay, so we're going to go over some geographical regions that are in the United States. So the Appalachian Mountain Range is 1,500 miles long. It stretches from Alabama to Canada. It is a huge mountain range that's on the East Coast. Some states that are within that range are West Virginia, Alabama, Georgia, Kentucky, Maryland, Mississippi, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Virginia, and Tennessee. The Rocky Mountain Range is kind of right in the middle of the United States, the continental United States. It is 76 million years old. The highest peak is Mount Albert at 14,440 feet high. Some states that lie within this range are Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, and even New Mexico. Now we're going to talk about the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. It covers approximately 20% of Earth's surface. It is the second largest ocean. Some states along the coast are Maine, Florida, Georgia, New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, Virginia, Rhode Island, North and South Carolina, Massachusetts, Maryland, and Connecticut. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean, the world's deepest ocean also, and some states that border it are California, Hawaii, Oregon, Washington, and Alaska. The Mexico border is 1,945 miles long. It is the busiest border in the world, and some states that border it are Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California. The Canadian border is 5,525 miles. It is the longest unmilitarized border. Some states that border it are Alaska, Idaho, Maine, Ohio, Washington, and Montana. The Great Lakes of North America. This is comprised of 5 lakes. The lake names are Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. We actually border this with Canada. Some states that border on our side are Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, New York, Pennsylvania, and Michigan. So these are some of the geographical regions and places that we will cover next year in 7th grade. And these are just some good things to keep in mind for next year.